ba ntse ba tsweletse go ya kwa godimo le kwa tlase a re bone Oswin a re bone jalo ba tsena ba goga kgwele kwa pele yasimnyama saka Makhapula ke Mafaise ka mogelo ka sebele go dira seo gape gompieno.
Welcome to Tiski Diary, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Massive game between Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. We are going to see potentially where the league title might be going. Orlando Pirates in pole position to win the PSL and take it away from Mamelodi Sundowns, who have been dominating the league for the last 8 seasons. Very, very refreshing season. Kaizer Chiefs are also still in it with a shot, probably the dark horses of the Betway Premiership. Now, guys, let us have a look at the potential starting lineups of that particular Humdinger massive clash. We've seen Orlando Pirates dominating the cup games between the two sides. However, it has been Mamelodi Sundowns that has been more dominant in recent times in the league matches when the two sides clash. So yeah, it's called so-called the El Clasico. You can call it whatever. Guys, don't go anywhere. We'll also be talking about the top 3 transfers for Kaizer Chiefs. I will reveal exactly who those names or those 3 stars are. First of all, Themba Mzwane or Mshishi, he has praised Mamelodi Sundowns chairman Tlhapi Motsepe for his motivation coming through to the change houses and encouraging Matawana to be able to overcome MC Alger and also Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to them. They sit pretty at the top of the PSL. We know that Orlando Pirates, they are not playing around this season. It looks like they're going to win everything, including the PSL and the Nedbank Cup, if current form is anything to go by. So drop your thoughts on comments. Guys, no show ukuthi Pirates yoshaya iteka Operation Fat Alice. So let us have a look at their potential starting lineup for the game against Mamelodi Sundowns. It looks like Sipho Chain will maintain his position between the goals. Van Rooyen at right back, Sibisi and Siyema will partner each other, and Hoto to complete the back four. Makaula, Nemtajala, and Mufokeng will be the midfield trio with Maswangai, Apolis, and Mbutuma finishing up the Orlando Pirates starting lineup. On the Mamelodi Sundowns side, it will probably be Mutau, Kekane, Ndamane, and maybe we might just see Lunga, Divine Lunga, slotting in at left back, and then Mokoena, Matthews, Sales, Morena, and Leon to wrap up the Mamelodi Sundowns starting lineup. So yeah, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. Who do you think is going to win that game? It is going to be a big game. So yeah, now let us have a look at those top 3 transfer targets from Kaizer Chiefs. Who are they? Drop your thoughts on comments. However, before we discuss that, news reaching my desk is that Kaizer Chiefs are set to release Morris at the end of the season. Morris Sambona, he hasn't been playing. He was signed by Nasruddin Nabi. The co-coaches Ben Youssef and Kaze Abamdlalisi. So that one is a given. And yeah, Kaisa Mayo also, like I told you in the last video, that he is likely to go back to his parent club, which is CR Belouizdad. His agent has revealed. Now, when Kaizer Chiefs release Umayo, they are likely to sign Mbutuma. Mbutuma has scored 3 goals in 3 matches since being released by Orlando Pirates. You'll recall that Orlando Pirates did beat Kaizer Chiefs to the signature of Mbutuma at the beginning of the current season. He has since gone back to Chippa United, and in 3 matches he has scored 3 goals, reigniting interest from Ikosi. And also, another signing that I've already talked about is Isaac Siyese, a 19-year-old defensive midfielder from Golden Arrows. And he is Ivorian. He is the under 23 Ivorian captain. He can play as a 6 or as an 8. So basically, he is a box-to-box player. He has scored 3 goals in 11 appearances as a 6 for Golden Arrows. At one stage, he had scored 3 goals in 8 appearances. So yeah, you get big teams like Mamelodi Sundowns and teams in the French League One that are monitoring his process. And the top player being wanted by the big 3 Kaizer Chiefs, joining the race for Sianda Ndlovu. Sianda Ndlovu, he has had a stellar debut season in the Betway Premiership, scoring 4 goals and having 6 assists to his name. The player has made the most dribbles in the Betway Premiership, and he is a live wire. He has created the most chances in the league. So that is Sianda Ndlovu, putting his hand high with the Abe Betway Premiership Player of the Season. He has been one of the best players. Nobody can deny that. Yeah, that is Sianda Ndlovu. That is the latest player, probably the most exciting player in the league right now, alongside Rele Mofokeng. So yeah, those 2 players will probably go at each other for player of the league. Probably Rele will win the player of the season. That is if Orlando Pirates win the league. But yeah, it's too soon to say they will, but I predict that iBhakaniya lizoyithatha i-league this season, and I do predict ukuthi uMofokeng will be the player of the season. And yeah, probably it is his last season with Orlando Pirates, with a couple of teams from abroad monitoring Mofokeng as well. But yeah, I will talk about that on another episode. I do know, or I do have some information ukuthi uRele ufunwa ubani laphaya phesheya, but I'm not going to talk about it in this episode. Just going to keep it sweet and short. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Cheers. Bye-bye.